With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
You are given 4 sources of light, each one providing a light of a single color: red, blue, green, and yellow. Suppose the angle of refraction for a beam of yellow light corresponding to a particular angle of incidence at the interface of two media is 90 degree. Which of the following statement is correct? If the source of yellow light is replaced with that of other lights without changing the angle of incidence, what happens to that? We are asking with two questions now. Which of the following statements is correct is one question, and what happens if yellow light is replaced with the other light? So now let us talk about the first condition, what they are doing. First, what they are doing, they are using an yellow light, right? So for yellow light, you can say it like the angle of refraction for that light at a particular angle of incidence is 90 degree. So they are saying R is 90 degree, and if R is 90 degree, no, I will be equal to a critical angle. So according to this condition, they say that they have a total internal reflection. If R is 90 degree and I is equal to C, it is nothing but a total internal reflection, and according to that, N is equal to 1 by sine C is the equation for total internal reflection. Now you can see that if C is small, if the critical angle is small, then the refractive index will be large. So you can say for C will be smallest for yellow light. Okay, because N is very large for yellow light. Now when can this change, or what happens when it is replaced with other light? So blue color, when it is replaced with other light, no, if I is equal to C, I should be smaller, I should be greater than C, no. So if I should be greater than C, N should be smaller. So among these, which has the smaller value of N? It will be with respect to blue color, because the smallest wavelength is for blue color, no. So smaller refractive index will be also for blue color. So you can say that if we replace yellow light with blue light, then it undergoes total internal reflection. This is the inference you can make. So you can say that option C, the beam of blue light will undergo total internal reflection.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.